Explanation of Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. Article 280 establishes the Finance Commission, a constitutional body tasked with making recommendations regarding the financial distribution between the Union and the states. This ensures a balanced allocation of financial resources and promotes cooperative federalism. Here's a breakdown. Subsection 1. Constitution of the Finance Commission. The President of India is required to constitute a Finance Commission within 2 years of the commencement of the Constitution. Subsequently, every 5 years or earlier if deemed necessary by the President. The Commission comprises a chairman and 4 other members, all of whom are appointed by the President. Subsection 2. Qualifications and selection. Parliament has the authority to prescribe the qualifications required for the appointment of Commission members. Determine the manner of selection for these members. Subsection 3. Duties of the Finance Commission. The Commission is responsible for making recommendations to the President on the following matters. A. Distribution of taxes. Division of net tax proceeds between the Union and the states. Allocation of these shares among various states. B. Grants in aid. Suggesting principles for providing grants in aid to states from the Consolidated Fund of India. BB. Resources for panchayats. Recommending measures to augment the Consolidated Fund of a state. Provide additional resources to panchayats in that state, based on recommendations from the state's Finance Commission. C. Resources for municipalities. Recommending measures to augment the Consolidated Fund of a state. Provide additional resources to municipalities in that state, based on recommendations from the state's Finance Commission. D. Other matters. Any additional financial matters referred by the President, in the interest of maintaining sound financial management. Subsection 4. Procedure and powers. The Finance Commission has the authority to determine its own procedures for functioning. Is empowered by Parliament to perform its functions effectively. Key points. The Finance Commission ensures equitable distribution of revenue between the Union and the states. Financial support for local governance bodies, panchayats and municipalities. It strengthens fiscal federalism by addressing the financial needs of states and local governments. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1. Finance. Distribution of revenues between the Union and the states. Article 280. Finance Commission. 1. The President shall, within 2 years from the commencement of this Constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every 5th year or at such earlier time as the President considers necessary, by order constitute a Finance Commission which shall consist of a chairman and 4 other members to be appointed by the President. 2. Parliament may by law determine the qualifications which shall be requisite for appointment as members of the Commission and the manner in which they shall be selected. 3. It shall be the duty of the Commission to make recommendations to the President as to a. The distribution between the Union and the states of the net proceeds of taxes which are to be, or may be, divided between them under this chapter and the allocation between the states of the respective shares of such proceeds. B. The principles which should govern the grants in aid of the revenues of the states out of the Consolidated Fund of India. BB. The measures needed to augment the Consolidated Fund of a state to supplement the resources of the panchayats in the state on the basis of the recommendations made by the Finance Commission of the state. C. The measures needed to augment the consolidated fund of a state to supplement the resources of the municipalities in the state on the basis of the recommendations made by the Finance Commission of the state. D. Any other matter referred to the Commission by the President in the interests of sound finance. 4. The Commission shall determine their procedure and shall have such powers in the performance of their functions as Parliament may by law confer on them.